everyone, today I'm going to show you something really special. Behind me here is an Elevate 154, our largest model, and it's going to be joined on site to another one of our homes, an Elevate 70, which you can see sitting alongside it here. Once they get to site, they'll be connected via a courtyard to create one really spacious home for a family of 5. Now the family have gone through a lot. They lost their orchard and their home during the Gisborne floods. So as part of their fresh start, they're replanting a vineyard and building these unique new homes with us. A transportable home solution really made sense for them in this situation because we'll be raising the houses 1.2 metres above the floodplain for safety, and our architectural team have designed multi-level decks to connect everything seamlessly into the site. It's going to look amazing. So come on in and let's go and explore. So I'm standing on the front steps here in the spot where the future deck is going to be built. The Elevate 70 will be off to the left and then connecting into a central courtyard in between, and then off to the right will be an in-ground pool. So an incredible setup. The Elevate 154 will be the main family hub with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, contemporary kitchen and a concealed walk-through scullery and laundry. So come on in and we'll check it out. Okay, so stepping inside here, the layout follows our standard plan with a few clever tweaks. The ceiling has been raised to provide extra height and space. And along this wall here, our usual long window has been swapped for sliding doors, which is a great way to let in more natural light and create flow out to the outdoors. The entertainment wall behind me here is usually a mix of shelving and cupboards, but this one has been customised. So down the end here, we've got this little recess here for these beautiful curtains to keep them all nicely tucked away. We've got 3 big storage cupboards there. Then we've got the beautiful gas fire underneath, which will be awesome, and space above for your TV. And then down the end, we've got this amazing bar area with fluted backing, LED spotlights, engineered stone bench top here, space for a future beverage, fridge, wine rack, and more storage. So all very stylish and super practical. So this kitchen feels like a retreat. The muted colours and soft lighting are really warm and inviting. We'll start here at the island. On the back here we have this fluted detailing which ties in with the bar area, and then we have the LED strip lighting underneath for that extra bit of ambience. Down the end here we've got a space-saving custom-made dining table at the end, and then above that we've got this Scandi-inspired very striking pendant which looks gorgeous, especially at night because it casts its pattern on the ceiling there. If you want to come around the back of the kitchen now, so this side here, this area here all follows our standard 154 plan, but on this side of the aisle there is a change in that the built-in oven, which is usually here, and the hob have been replaced with a freestanding cooktop and oven and cooktop, which will be installed later on. Right, we'll head now to my favourite feature of this 154 kitchen. Behind this door here we have the concealed scullery and laundry. Come on in. So for the scullery end we've added some drawers at the end, and we've also added the dishwasher, which is quite handy. But down this laundry end of the room, this is all our standard plan. We have a tall storage in there for your brooms and mops and things, and then along the end we've got your decent sized laundry tub there with over cupboards, under cupboards, space for a washing machine and dryer, and then got the back door right off that, which is very helpful. Over here we've got a second sneaky door, which is quite cool, which actually loops you all the way back into the kitchen again. Okay, I'm on the opposite side of the kitchen now, so follow me down this short hallway past the scullery into the main master suite here at the end. So these rooms are a really good size at about 4x4. We have the usual large sliding window on the outside wall, and then our 2 bedside windows on the end wall there. The only upgrades in here are these beautiful little brass bedside lights, and the ceiling fan above us here. In fact, all of the bedrooms and living rooms in the home have these ceiling fans as well. Over the opposite side of the room, we have the walk-in wardrobe, which is a custom fit out with a full-length mirror at the end there. Right, we'll head out of here and into the ensuite beside that. So everything in here has used our standard New Zealand and European made fittings. The only variation really in here are these gorgeous brass framed LED mirrors that replace our usual sort of mirror vanity light combo. But everything else is standard. As I say, we've got our double vanity with 2 drawers, and then behind the privacy wall here we have our usual soft close toilet, great little louvers system there beside that. And then at the end, opposite end, we've got the 1.4 metre shower with the mineral composite low profile tray. So a really beautiful, restful, stylish space. Okay, so we're at the opposite end of the house, and we have the second living area, 2 more bedrooms and the bathroom here behind me. So come on in and check it out into the second lounge here, which is going to be a really great, cosy little getaway from the main hub of the home. On this wall here, we would normally have the louvers with a window, but in this case, we've swapped them out for French doors to create more of that wonderful indoor-outdoor flow. Right, over the opposite side of the room, we have the main bathroom. So this follows our plan. There are a few variations in here. This shower is usually 1.2 metres, but we've made it a bit smaller at 1 metre by 1 metre to fit in the freestanding bath over here, which is also an optional extra. And the only other difference is really the vanity light and mirror that we'd normally have here has been replaced with the all-in-one LED surround mirror. Right, last stop's are bedroom 2 and 3, so we'll pop into this bedroom first. So both bedrooms follow our standard layout. The only difference is this would normally be a 3-bay floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, but we've obviously customised it quite significantly to have the wardrobe with drawers at the end, and then this awesome office nook at the end of the whole setup. We'll nip through now into the second living area again to come and check out the third and final room of the house, which is actually as you can see, a complete replica of what we just saw in the previous bedroom. So yeah, brilliant space for kids of any ages. And that's a wrap on this house tour. There's always huge excitement leading up to house handover day, and this one is particularly special. Our clients have been through so much, so we just can't wait for them to begin the next chapter of their lives. New house, new vineyard, and brighter days ahead, I'm sure. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.